Hi, my name is Flavia Lovatelli and I'm going to do a paper weaving workshop today for you, showing you how to weave two different images into a comprehensive pattern. I chose two pictures for today's workshop. One's a photograph of a person and a house to go with it. And I'm going to do random and equal size strips. So when we have these two pictures, first we want to sign where the top is. So the top is in this direction, top, and then this one, same thing, this direction, top, so that when we slice this paper, we'll know which direction it goes in. And I'm gonna do vertical sizes on this one, and I measure it and mark them. And I'm gonna do exact measurements on this one, 1/2 inch on all of them. And then number them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. You can tell I don't write too often. And for this one, I'm gonna have to do the opposite and do horizontal lines. And I'm gonna choose random. So at 1/2 inch, 2/3, another 2/3, half, 1 inch, half, 2/3, 2/3, half, 2/3, 2/3, and half. And then number them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 13. And now I set aside all this work and I start cutting. You can cut by hand and with scissors. I just happen to have a paper cutter, so it's faster and easier. Much easier to weave with the pictures flipped on the back side and numbered correctly. So then I'm going to sort them and put them in order. 20, 21, and 22. And then I move them up forward, top there, to have them accessible. Look at that. And then do the same thing here. Wrote on the thing, this is the top. I'm going to turn it like that. This is at the top already. And then what I do is I choose the middle part. So 5, 5, 3. And I'm going to do 4 on this one, or this. I'm going to do 3. And then I do the center one of this too. So it's 5 and 5, and I do this. So what I do, now I start weaving. Now I know the direction of both pictures, I start weaving them. And it's easier to weave from the center out. So it's 7, 8, and you do this like this. And then you start positioning them and tightening a little bit so it kind of locks it in and it becomes easier to weave the pictures. Okay, and then I choose, this is 12, I choose 13 and put it next to the and tighten it a little bit, not too much, or it'll become hard to weave. And then you just expand. There's 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 8. So yes, that looks pretty good. I got more space here for these and shorter for this. Then I do 5. and 9. the top part. And you obviously weave it in the alternating strips. Now that I'm done doing most of the weave, I'm gonna flip it over and see how I like it and see if I wanna continue adding the rest. The rest is usually the edge and fodder, if you will. So I'm happy with what I have now. So I'm gonna turn it around. I could remove this bit here, I guess, to give her more of a face, and possibly this. So let's try that. I'm gonna get my tape and a pair of scissors, and let's see, cut this one here to see if give her more of a face. Oops, sorry. Turn this around and flip her out. Let's see how that looks now. It looks better. So I'm gonna, all right, so you take a corner or a little piece and you tape it down like this. Like this. And there you go. Here's a weave of a person with her neighbor in her neighborhood. And that's your workshop.